Hey guys, Rich here with Brotherhood Reviews, and we're back with another trailer reaction, Chainsaw Man teaser trailer 2. And ever since finishing Fire Punch, I love this manga. I've loved this mangaka's artwork, and I can't wait to see what comes out of Chainsaw Man. But this is the second teaser. I can't wait until we get an actual trailer for it, but let's see what's going on. Okay, animation looks fire. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, all I really know about it is that they're demons and like they have hosts or whatever. But the animation looks amazing. The teaser really didn't give away much, except for, what we already know is that he has chainsaws for arms and a head, and he uses that to fight. So I really enjoyed it. The animation looks, in my opinion, it looks good. It's nothing like outstanding, but we'll see what happens. Really am anticipating this, but I hope you guys have a good daytime, night, whenever you guys are listening to this. Thank you.